KDO probably are like this.
Pure on county, northwestern County in northwestern Ohio, County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, western Montgomery County in northeastern Ohio, northern Ashland County, eastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, northern Crawford County, Lorain County, until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:19 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line of built near Butte, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lorain, Elyria, Sandusky, Norwalk, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Fort Clinton, Strongsville, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Amherst, Shelby, Bellevue, Grafton, Klein, Willard, Wellington, New London, Plymouth, and Green Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central, northeastern, and northwestern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Oh shit.
Pennsylvania.
Flood warning.
Urgent
Portage.
flood watch remains in effect this evening through Sunday morning. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio.
Flood warning,
including
Portage.
the following counties in north central Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Huron, Knox, Lorain, Marion, Morrow, and
Oh, you fucking bitch.